Fun with magnets. First of all, what are magnets? These are the substances having the property of attracting iron objects. So, what are magnets? These are the substances which attract iron objects. The force exerted by the magnet on the iron object is known as magnetic force, or force of a magnet by which it attracts the objects towards itself is known as magnetic force. The materials which are attracted by the magnet are known as magnetic material. Iron, nickel, cobalt, these are attracted by the magnet, so these are known as magnetic material. And the substances which are not attracted by the magnet, like plastic, leather, so these are known as non-magnetic materials. How the magnet was discovered? There was a shepherd named Magnes in Greece. He used to have a stick in his hand. The stick had a small piece of iron attached at one end. One day, while grazing, he was surprised to find that he had to pull hard to free his stick from a rock on the mountain side. It seemed that it was being attracted by the rock. Such rocks were given the name magnetite. So that is why the things which attract iron are known as magnet. Properties of magnet. Attractive property. It is the property to attract magnetic substances. So it attracts iron, nickel and cobalt towards itself. So that property by which it attracts such objects towards itself is known as attractive property. Directive property. It is the property by which whenever we freely suspend a magnet, it always rests in the north-south direction. So whenever we freely suspend a magnet, it always points in north-south direction. The side pointing the north is known as north pole, and the side pointing the south is known as south pole. Unlike poles attract each other. North pole of one magnet attracts the south pole of the other magnet, or the south pole of one magnet attracts the north pole of the other magnet. Like poles, north-north, south-south, same poles. They repel each other, means they push each other away from them. North pushes the north pole and south pushes the south pole. And this is used for checking whether a substance is iron or the other substance is also a magnet. Because iron will be attracted from both the sides. But if it is a magnet, it will repel one side. And poles of a magnet always exist in pairs. Every magnet is having its own north and south pole. If we break a magnet into pieces, every piece will have its own north and south pole. So it means the poles of a magnet always exist in pairs. Where are the magnets used? In motors, in generators and loudspeakers. There are powerful magnets. In scrapyards, magnets are used to separate magnetic substances from the junk material. Computer hard disks, floppies, audio and video tapes, these are coated with magnetic material. In ATM cards, credit cards and airline tickets, information is stored in magnetic strips. And due to directive property of the magnet, magnetic compass are used to find the direction. That's all for magnets. Thank you.